Everyone has opinions about crypto in 2025, but what if we filtered the noise and brought you only the most accurate data-backed predictions, straight from leading analysts, hedge fund managers, and blockchain insiders? In this video, I'm revealing what top experts say is coming in 2025, from Bitcoin price targets to altcoin narratives, regulation, and the next big wave of adoption. Stick around, because prediction number 7 will change how you invest this year. Crypto is entering a new era. 2025 could bring a blow-off top bull market, major tech breakthroughs, regulatory clarity, or the next black swan crash. In this video, I'll break down 10 of the most credible predictions for 2025. These aren't from hype influencers. These are insights from former Wall Street strategists, crypto VC partners, on-chain data analysts, institutional investment researchers. Let's get started. Bitcoin will hit 150K to 250K, but temporarily. Multiple experts, including Fidelity Digital Assets, ARK Invest, and Bitwise, predict Bitcoin will top out between 150K and 250K in this cycle. Cathie Wood's ARK forecast even models a base case of $200,000 BTC by mid-2025. Why? Bitcoin halving, April 2024, historically precedes a 12 to 18-month rally. Spot Bitcoin ETFs bringing in institutional capital. Global liquidity cycles favoring risk-on assets. But here's the catch. It won't stay at those levels forever. Most models suggest a parabolic top followed by a major correction. So how high could ETH go? Experts weigh in next. Ethereum to $10,000. The smart contract. Supercycle analysts at VanEck and Delphi Digital believe Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in relative terms. ETH price? Target $7,500 to $10,000. Why? ETH burn rate increasing due to on-chain activity. Ethereum is the base layer for DeFi, NFTs, L2s, and RWAs. Staked ETH now over 25% of supply, reducing sell pressure. They also point to EIP upgrades, high developer retention, and strong ETH-BTC ratio trends. Bonus, Bernstein projects Ethereum staking yield will act like a bond substitute for crypto-native investors. But what about altcoins? This next prediction could surprise you. 2025 altcoin narrative equals real-world use cases. Top crypto VCs, like a 16Z and Multicoin Capital, are shifting focus to real-world utility. Expect 2025 winners to include AIX Crypto, like Render, RNDR, Ocean Protocol, Ocean, tokenized assets, like Centrifuge, CFG, Ondo Finance, Ondo, DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, like Helium, a cash-forget meme coins. This bull run will reward projects solving actual problems. So will Solana still be relevant in 2025? Let's talk layer ones. The layer 1 landscape will shrink. According to Electric Capital's developer report, many L1s are stagnating. Experts believe Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche will remain dominant, while others lose mindshare. Key prediction: by 2025, we'll see a layer 1 consolidation phase. Only the top ecosystems will survive. Solana is still gaining traction, especially with consumer apps and fast UX. But L2s on Ethereum, like Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, could eat into that growth. And what about stablecoins? Big changes are coming. Stablecoins will be regulated, and institutionalized Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire predicts 2025 will bring the first US stablecoin legislation. BlackRock is already testing tokenized treasuries. Tether is investing in Bitcoin mining. And PayPal launched their own stablecoin. Expert forecast: By 2025, stablecoins will account for over $300 billion in circulation, with 70% plus used in cross-border settlements. Winners? Likely USDC, PYUSD, and tokenized fiat platforms backed by regulators. But here's a dark horse narrative you're not hearing enough about. Crypto plus AI will birth new asset classes. Imagine smart agents trading on your behalf, or AI algorithms monetizing data via blockchain. That's coming. Predictions from Outlier Ventures and Messari say AI tokens could become the top performing sector of 2025. Key projects: Fetch.ai, FET, SingularityNet, AGIX, Render, RNDR. These will benefit from both AI hype and growing demand for decentralized compute. But what about regulation? Here's what experts think will actually happen. Regulation will get clearer, but not everywhere. Don't expect global clarity, but in the US and EU, 2025 could bring key decisions. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong predicts the US will adopt a framework distinguishing securities versus commodities. Europe's MiCA law will unlock new consumer DeFi products. Ripple's partial legal win and spot ETF approvals are setting precedent. Key takeaway: regulation will help mature the market and trigger waves of new capital. Speaking of capital, where will the big money come from? Institutional adoption will accelerate. Expect 2025 to bring a flood of TradFi firms. According to JP Morgan and Fidelity, sovereign wealth funds will start allocating to BTC and ETH. Pension funds will experiment with tokenized treasuries. Large asset managers will launch crypto fund products. This changes the game. Why? Bigger order flow, more infrastructure, more legitimacy for crypto overall. But how about the metaverse and NFTs? Are they dead or evolving? Metaverse and NFTs will rebrand and reboot. Experts at Animoca and Dapradar say the word metaverse is dead, but the concept isn't. 2025 will bring NFTs used as identity, memberships, and data keys. Web3 gaming platforms with real value flows. Interoperable assets across platforms. The winners won't be overpriced JPEGs, but utility-driven NFTs with real function. So with all this in mind, how should you prepare for 2025? The Smart Investors 2025 Playbook. Based on all these predictions, here's the framework I'd use. 1. Core holdings 50%, BTC and ETH, store of value plus smart contract base. 2. Narrative plays 30%, AI, RWAs, L2s, DePIN, 3 stablecoins and yield 10%, on-chain lending or tokenized bonds, 4 speculative bets, 10% of pre-launch tokens, small caps gaming. Bonus tips: track on-chain data via Glassnode token terminal. Follow expert research from Delphi, Messari, Bankless. Use secure wallets and tax tools. Let's wrap with one final bold prediction from one of crypto's biggest names. Chris Banisk says, this cycle will surprise both the bulls and the bears. Translation: expect the unexpected. If you want to ride 2025 smartly, stay flexible, stay curious, and stay sharp. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for weekly crypto research breakdowns, and comment below which prediction do you think will come true in 2025, or do you have one of your own?